Howdy friends, my name is Wes Lee. Thanks for stopping by my shop today. I opened my own shop and started a YouTube channel to show what life was like in the band instrument trade. I appreciate you coming around. Let's jump right into today's video. Okay, today we've got this box trumpet that I'm going to be trying to help a friend out. It came to me already disassembled, so my job is to try to put it back together, especially to see if I can take care of some of the bell. I've gotten a lot of the big dents and stuff out here. It looks like that the horn probably got stepped on and then brought back, so it's got a raised, this was obviously buckled again. There's a lot of dents all the way down through here. The bell flare is pretty messed up as well. So I got in here and started burnishing. I don't want to take the bell off because I want to try to keep the cost as minimal as I can for him. So I've already gotten the brace taken care of, and I did this with the Mini Z. And I thought I would highlight the Mini Z in this video. And you have to be sneaky about the way you can do some of this stuff, but you can get so much done without taking the bell off. Ordinarily, in times past, to get, if I wanted to use the dent machine, I would have had to have taken the bell off of the instrument. And now we have the freedom. Just got to be creative in the way you think about it. So let me show you how I have that rigged up. So what I have is the larger tapered mandrel in, and then I have the tapered head on here, and I can sneak it in under this work. And now I can roll to about halfway through. And so I'm going to, while I'm here, I'm going to adjust the pressure, and I'm going to just work this area and get as much of this scarring out as I can. Now this is where the Mini Z, I think, really comes in, because this is, the big Z is a little bit too bulky to do some of this work. And I'm going to actually go ahead and rotate on out. Add a little more. Now another thing to note is that normally I'm using my big vise, or if I'm working off of the big Z, this is my light duty vise that's attached to my solder bench, and I'm really having no issue. So I'm just really, the ease of use with the Mini Z is just really pretty phenomenal. So that's what we've got under there. Remove those wrinkles and re-rounded the brace. It looks really nice. Now the way I think about this is with the post mounted on this side, I think about doing from here over to about here. And then I'll flip the arm and go back and get the other way. So I'm just trying to see what I can get. I also did not tap this today. Ordinarily I would tap this. I want to see just what we can get. And that's really not fair of asking for the Mini Z, but I am still putting it through its paces. I'm just hugging up as close to that as I can get. I might be able to move the roller back a little bit more. And I can get up to about center line of the horn. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Now you'll notice here that I've switched out the mandrel, both of them, into the trombone setup that comes with another thing that I really like is that while the handle allows you to really put some torque on it, it slides back and forth. When you put it in the kind of in the middle, you can like really get very micro in your adjustment. And it is all a feel thing. That's what I've noticed. And now I'm going to flip the arm. Okay, so now we'll just reverse the process and go to the inside. So now I'm just going to come in and roll this inside lightly, get everything smoothed out nice and even. I found so many cool little tips and tricks with picking up using this. Check our results. That's the end of the video for you. Quick video showing the Mini Z. I've still got to straighten the bell. I've got to fix the flare and do some other stuff to it before it's going to be ready to go. But I'll put some pictures up. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I appreciate you watching and following along. I appreciate the likes. I love conversing in the comments and seeing stuff. Have you tried this new Mini Z yet from Ferree's? They really knocked it out of the park. It's a great machine. Okay, if you need anything, let me know. I appreciate you. This is Wes Lee signing out.